Technology is evolving faster than ever before. What once took decades to develop is now happening in just a few years, or even months. Innovations like artificial intelligence and blockchain aren't futuristic dreams. They're already part of our daily lives. These advancements are transforming how we live, work, communicate, and do business. If you're interested in staying ahead of these changes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the tech shaping our future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are at the heart of this transformation. AI is now embedded in everything from health diagnostics to financial fraud detection. It enables machines to learn from data, make predictions, and take actions with minimal human input. Whether it's personal assistance, smart recommendations, or advanced analytics, AI is making things faster and more efficient. However, it also brings challenges, including job automation and concerns about algorithmic fairness. Despite these issues, the AI industry is growing rapidly, with major improvements in natural language understanding and computer vision pushing it forward. Another major shift is happening through the Internet of Things, or IoT. This technology connects physical devices, from smart fridges and fitness trackers to industrial sensors, into networks that collect and exchange data. IoT is making homes smarter, factories more efficient, and cities more responsive. But as more devices come online, security risks are increasing too. Cyber attacks targeting IoT systems have become more common, highlighting the need for stronger protections. To handle the flood of data generated by IoT and other digital systems, edge computing is becoming essential. Instead of sending all data to distant cloud servers, edge computing processes information closer to where it's generated. This reduces delays and eases network loads. For time-sensitive tasks like self-driving cars or factory automation, edge computing provides the speed and reliability required. However, building and managing these distributed networks can be complex and costly. Blockchain technology is another game changer. Often linked to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain is actually a much broader tool for creating secure, transparent records. It's being used in finance, healthcare, supply chains, and more. For example, it can track the origin of goods or verify medical records. While blockchain offers greater security and trust, challenges like energy use and scalability still need to be addressed. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are reshaping how we interact with the digital world. AR overlays digital elements onto real surroundings. Think of navigation directions on your windshield. While VR immerses you in fully virtual spaces. These technologies are being used for gaming, real estate tours, job training, and education. However, the high cost of advanced equipment has slowed widespread adoption. As hardware improves and 5G expands, these immersive experiences will become more accessible. Quantum computing is a revolutionary concept still in its early days. Unlike regular computers which use binary bits, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits, that can represent multiple states at once. This allows them to solve complex problems that traditional machines struggle with, like modeling molecules for drug discovery or optimizing large systems. Although practical applications are still limited due to instability and error rates, major tech firms are investing heavily in quantum development. Robotic process automation, or RPA, is making a big impact in businesses by automating routine tasks. From handling invoices to responding to customer service queries, software bots are taking over repetitive work, allowing employees to focus on more strategic activities. While RPA increases efficiency and reduces errors, the initial setup can be expensive and maintenance is ongoing. There's also concern about how automation could affect certain jobs over time. With more sophisticated digital threats emerging, cybersecurity has become a top priority. Tools like AI-based threat detection, zero-trust systems, and stronger encryption are now essential. Companies dealing with sensitive information, like banks and hospitals, must constantly update their defenses. Even with powerful tools, staying ahead of cybercriminals is a constant challenge and requires investment in both technology and skilled professionals. As the world becomes more conscious of its environmental impact, sustainable technology is gaining ground. From solar panels to green manufacturing methods, industries are adopting solutions that reduce waste and cut carbon emissions. Governments are introducing stricter regulations to push these efforts further. While green tech offers long-term benefits, it often requires significant upfront investment and changes to existing infrastructure. Human augmentation is another fascinating area of growth. This includes devices and systems that enhance physical or cognitive abilities. For example, exoskeletons can help people with mobility issues walk again, and brain-computer interfaces allow users to control devices with their minds. These innovations are especially valuable in healthcare, military, and productivity settings. However, ethical and accessibility concerns must be addressed as the technology becomes more advanced. AI is not only changing what computers can do, it's also changing how they're built. AI-augmented development uses machine learning to assist with writing, testing, and debugging code. Tools like GitHub Copilot help developers work faster by suggesting code in real time. This can speed up innovation, but also comes with risks, like relying too heavily on automated systems that might introduce bugs or security gaps. Another key trend is the rise of industry-specific cloud platforms. Instead of using generic cloud services, businesses are turning to platforms tailored to their unique needs. A hospital, for example, might use a cloud service that helps manage patient records while complying with healthcare regulations. These specialized platforms improve efficiency, but also raise challenges around data security and compatibility between systems. Smart apps are another area of rapid innovation. These apps use AI to offer personalized experiences, automate tasks, and deliver better services. In finance, smart apps help users manage budgets or make investment decisions. In healthcare, they assist in diagnostics and treatment tracking. As these apps handle more sensitive data, privacy and security concerns become more significant. Generative AI is making it easier than ever to create original content: text, images, music, and more. What once required skilled professionals can now be done by anyone with the right tool. This is opening doors for creators and businesses, but also sparking debates about content ownership, authenticity, and potential misuse. Continuous threat exposure management is becoming the new norm for cybersecurity. These systems help organizations detect and fix vulnerabilities in real time, rather than reacting after a breach occurs. While highly effective, these tools require constant monitoring and resources, making them more suitable for sectors that handle critical data. As AI systems become more powerful, the need to manage trust, risk, and security is growing. AI TRiSM, Trust, Risk, and Security Management frameworks aim to make AI more ethical and transparent. This includes addressing issues like algorithmic bias and ensuring that AI decisions are accountable. It's especially important in areas like healthcare and finance, where fairness and trust are essential. Platform engineering is helping companies streamline software development by combining infrastructure, tools, and best practices into a unified system. This speeds up app deployment and makes scaling operations easier. However, building these systems requires major investments and skilled teams. Machine customers are a new kind of digital consumer. AI systems that make purchases or decisions on behalf of users. They can reorder supplies, manage subscriptions, and even negotiate contracts. While this increases convenience and efficiency, it also raises questions about control and oversight. Finally, the augmented, connected workforce is becoming the norm. With remote work more common, businesses are turning to smart tools, wearable tech, and AI to boost productivity. Video conferencing, real-time health tracking, and digital collaboration are redefining how teams operate from anywhere in the world. Still, it's essential to strike the right balance between performance monitoring and respecting employee privacy. That's a wrap for now. Catch you in the next video.